dedicate the Veterans Memorial Great Room in this absolutely beautiful Center for Science and Business that we have here at Monmouth College. At this time, I would like to introduce Monmouth's 14th President, Dr. Clarence Wyatt.
This is a wonderful ceremony. This is a wonderful, extraordinary space. And they are worthy tributes to these four men and to all members of the Monmouth family who have served in the military. But the best way that we can honor them, honor their service, honor their memories, is to live out those qualities in our lives every day. And for those of us who live and work on this campus, to help nurture and grow them into young women and young men who come into our care.
I'm here today on behalf of ESGR, which is the Employer Support for Guard and Reserve. ESGR is a partnership between the Department of Defense and employers across the country. It's a voluntary organization designed to help employers that have Guard and Reserve members understand the rights of the service members, understand their responsibilities as employers, and really bring them closer together. I'd like to ask Dr. Wyatt to come up. We're going to sign what we call a statement of support. And this is an agreement between Monmouth College and signed by the Secretary of Defense, Secretary Hagel, basically reaffirming the college's support for military employees and respecting the rights of military members. So, Dr. Wyatt?
Monmouth College has also prepared some of the most successful leaders you see today. Just for a couple is Major General Philip Keeley. He's a former acting chief of the National Guard Bureau and director of the Army National Guard. And of course, Steve Bloomer, former Iowa Chief of Staff. But why does this make it personal for me? When I got here, I'm one of three brothers, and I'm a brother named John Lawson, Chris Lawson, myself. All went to Monmouth, all within 3 years, all graduated from Monmouth in 88, 87, 88, 89, and of course right now, all three currents. If it wasn't for Monmouth, we came back from I hate to say it, it's a premature welfare life. And the military gave us the means, and Monmouth College gave us the way. So without a doubt, it is with great honor we recognize the support Monmouth College has given us and our continued relationship with the National Guard and their tremendous leadership. Thank you.
And let me begin by saying to all of you that it really is a special honor for me to be able to participate today in this the formal dedication of such a beautiful space. Dedicated as it is to those who have served in the military, those serving now, and those who may yet serve, and of course, to all of our veterans. In naming this great room in their honor, I hope that all who shall enjoy this space in the future will at some point in time still pause to reflect and to think about the courage, the commitment, and the sacrifices made by so many that all of us might be here today, blessed as we are with the freedom that we all enjoy. Through the years, we linger in the sweet afterglow. Well, today I am lingering in the sweet afterglow of days at Monmouth College. I certainly hope some of you are too. I pray that God will continue to bless this great college during the next 160 years. And on this very special Veterans Day, I ask that you remember in your prayers too, all of our military, their families, and the veterans, both here and wherever they may be on this special event, at this special day.
Today we remember and give thanks for our veterans, men and women of the military who gave and continue to give in service to our country and her citizens, in opposition to the evils of our world, in defense of the innocent, in honor of that which is good and noble. In a world still fraught with violence and conflict, grant us a moment of pause to remember and reflect, so that our veterans' service and sacrifice will not come to naught, but rather be a strong stepping stone to the world you so desire. A world that the prophets envision as a kingdom where the lion shall lay with the lamb, where mourning and crying and pain will end, where tears shall be wiped away, and where we will know peace, endless peace, here in this place and around your world. On this Veterans Day and in this great hall, give us pause, great God, so we might be emboldened, inspired, and encouraged to serve and sacrifice as well, while praying, thy kingdom come and thy will be done. Amen.
This concludes our ceremony, a beautiful ceremony. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Have a great day.